Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2020. This company is called Randger, and as it's in the Trigano hall, I presume it's a Trigano brand, which means that this vehicle here, the R570 4x4, is in direct competition with Carmann Mobil. So I don't quite understand that one, but never mind. This vehicle here, as you can see, it's on a Ford basis, but I'm going to show you the price. Unless there's something I've really missed out. 170 horsepower, and this model here, 64,160. And unless there's something I failed to understand, this is the 4x4 model. Now, I know that's a huge amount of cash if you've got it in your back pocket, but for a vehicle of this nature, that isn't particularly expensive at all. That's quite cheap indeed. There could be something I don't understand about it. Maybe there's something wrong with it somewhere. I don't know. Maybe it's, but 4x4 vehicle, 64,000 euros. Isn't a huge amount. Anyway, right, so lengthwise beds, we've got this up here. A wardrobe like this does of course have the advantage of you can allow your shirts or whatever is in there to actually come down into that space, the space below your feet. Actually, I tried it in my van. I don't think it works very well. I tried putting a metal bar up and for clothing, but I just don't think it doesn't work because there's not enough room above the bed. Anyway, got a bit of space wasted up here. What's the point of that? No idea. I suppose at least to put this bit thing up here, and that'll stop things falling out the back. It really does look though like a cheap version of the Carmann Mobil 570 off-road vehicle, in my opinion. I've got to say though, this toilet is pretty good. I think they could get rid of this. I'll just show you. Oh, I can't show you how. Oh, yes, I can show you. I can turn the thing around. I forgot. Yeah. There's me in the van. Look. Got this. I'll close the door. You can't see me. Yeah, sort of close the door. Look, got all this space in the shower. I mean, bear in mind, it's the size of this vehicle. Not all that. It also comes with a window. This thing here's going to get in the way, you know. In fact, I know I don't like these things as a general rule, but I'd have to have that taken out. See this sort of just. You're going to get in the way when you use the toilet, and it's going to. Well, I suppose it might. Yeah, I suppose it could be handy like that. There is a problem I appreciate with the shower curtains. They just sort of stick to your body as soon as they get wet. Right, okay, now let's have a look at some more features. The table is there, and that will come out. So when you turn the chairs around, you can sort of sit at a rather small table in two parts. We've got a fridge here. There you go. Now, what you really want to know, though, is probably about the 4x4 kit, and I'm afraid I don't know anything about it, so I can't actually comment on it. I like things like that, but I do get the impression, has space been lost here up front somewhere? Don't know. What's that? Also don't know. Well, that sort of gives you sort of a bit of an overlook. I mean, it's nowhere near as smart as the Carmann Mobil. And what's the point of something like that? Let's have a look on the outside. Well, let's have another look at the sign, because I might actually learn something from this other than the price. I was so taken in by the price, I didn't push it any further. Right, so it's 6 meters long, 206 centimeters wide, and that's got a height of 275. Obviously, it's got a bit of lift because of the 4x4, but not a lot, I see. Equipment such as airbags and cruise control and electric windows and what have you. And okay, 100 litre fresh water, 60 litre wastewater, and heating Truma D4, diesel. So you can put in 2 6 kilo, that's the medium one, gas canisters, 70 litre fridge, and 2 burner kitchen, which I don't think I showed, did I? I can't remember. So I'll show it again. There you go, 2 burners. And to be quite honest, in a van of this size, you can't really expect much more. Let's have a look around the outside. Oh, so it can come with a 100 ampere hour Teleco lithium battery, 130 watt solar panel, awning and fog lamps as well. Don't know if this is open, it might be closed. So, is Randger a cheap version of Karmann Mobil? That is the question. That looks like a full length canister to me. So I think I said medium, didn't I? Maybe I got that one wrong. But one thing about this is I quite like the colour, but this is obviously colour is just a matter of opinion. Here we'll have a look at this 560 model, which costs 68,000. Starting price at 58,000. Now this one here is going to have a widthwise bed. Other than that, the measurements are the same. Well, it has some differences to the Karmann Mobil. I shall be at the 4x4 fair called Abenteuer und Allrad, which is taking place this year in October if it doesn't get cancelled again, but the plan is to go there. And so I'll be seeing more stuff there. So looking here. Oh yeah, this is the one I'd want. Here, 66,500 euros. Yep, my favourite layout. Oh, definitely. This is more me. Just hit my head on the bed. And guess what? It's electric. Let's see if I can get the thing to go down. And there you go. A bit dark in here. But yeah, it gives you an idea of how low the bed will go and how much space there is under here when the bed is down. Right, now, here I'll show myself again once more sitting in the van. And that's more or less a normal seating position. I'm walking a bit. There we go. See? That's not too bad at all. It's like sitting in a car. Yeah. Not as I often sit in cars, but yeah, it's quite good. Quite nice. Yep, definitely like this one. Very nice. and very, very nice van. Just press this in here and put the light on. So that's not the light, that's the that's the plug. That's why it doesn't work when you put it in. Press it in. I think that was quite smooth. Yeah. Definitely not like that one. You see, it is on the Fiat, and this one here is 548 centimeters in length. This one, he's got 360-degree insulation. Incidentally, I would expect 360-degree insulation. 636 centimeters long, so it's Fiat Ducato. Oh, the time bomb's about to go off. Well, never mind. Can't turn the thing on. The light's on. Oops, what's up there? And this year, or next year really, because next year's, there's stacks of stuff on the Ford Transit Custom. It's the flavour of the year. It's the fashion. It's like having 2 hubs in a van where they used to have 3. Yeah. And all of these vans look exactly the same. Bit dark, isn't it? Okay. Right. 540 centimeter version. Okay, right. So I'll give you a little bit of a walk around. This new brand, Randger. I see some are on 4x4, others aren't. This is the one I started off with. What do you think? Good or not so good? Here, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to finish with this one here, because this one has got a more exciting colour to finish with. So, thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Dusseldorf.